Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working, fan not responding or pairing. Fix 1. Replace the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote. Install fresh batteries ensuring the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly. Test the remote again after replacing the batteries. If the remote has an indicator light, verify that it illuminates when buttons are pressed. Fix 2. Power cycle the ceiling fan. Turn off power to the fan at the wall switch and circuit breaker. Wait 10 to 30 seconds. Restore power and test the remote again. This often clears temporary communication issues between the remote and receiver. Fix 3. Repair the remote. Newer models. Turn the fan's power off at the breaker. Turn the power back on. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the learn pair or high speed button on the remote, depending on model. Wait for a beep, flashing light, or other confirmation signal. Test all fan and light functions afterward. Fix 4. Check dip switch settings, older models. Turn off power to the fan, remove the battery cover from the remote and locate the dip switches. Remove the fan canopy and locate the receiver's dip switches. Ensure both sets of switches match exactly. Restore power and test the remote. Fix 5. Inspect the receiver. Turn off power at the breaker. Remove the canopy cover and inspect the receiver module. Check for loose wiring, burn marks, or visible damage. Ensure the receiver antenna wire is hanging freely and not coiled tightly. Fix 6. Reset the remote. Some Harbor Breeze remotes have a hidden reset or learn button inside the battery compartment. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Repair the remote after resetting. Fix 7. Replace the receiver or remote. If the remote lights up but the fan never responds, the receiver inside the fan may have failed. A faulty receiver is one of the most common causes when batteries and pairing procedures do not solve the problem. Fix 8. Contact Harbor Breeze support. Locate your fan model number, usually found on the top of the motor housing or inside the canopy. Contact Harbor Breeze or Lowe's customer support for model specific pairing instructions or replacement parts. Have your fan model number and remote model number ready before calling. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.